Karma Guy here. This is a 2016 Ram 1500 quad cab sport pickup 4D with a 6 and 1/3 feet bed. It has a clean Carfax and has lived in Georgia its whole life. It comes with a dealer service history, current Georgia state emissions, and the original books. This truck is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a Quality Plus warranty, which includes 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, you can get a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase. At the time of sale, you can also ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty. We know making a car purchase is a big decision, so we encourage you to do a pre-purchase inspection. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void the warranty and 5-year service plan. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come check it out today.